In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate full screen mode in Chrome. Full screen is perfect when you want to focus on a single page, give a presentation, or simply hide distractions like tabs and the taskbar. Let's start with the built-in menu option. With Chrome open and active, move to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots, which open the browser menu. In that menu, look near the zoom controls for the full screen icon that looks like a square. It may be labeled Enter Full Screen. Click it once, and the page immediately expands to fill your entire display. The tab bar, address bar, and bookmarks bar slide out of view so that only the website content remains. This is normal, and it's your signal that full screen is active. When you're ready to exit, move your mouse all the way to the top edge of the screen, pause for a moment, and a narrow strip will appear, giving you controls to leave full screen. Click the X or the Exit Full Screen button that shows up in that bar. The browser will restore your normal view with tabs, the address bar, and your desktop taskbar visible again. There's also a faster keyboard-based method that many people prefer. Press the F11 key to toggle full screen on and off instantly. This works the same way, F11 to enter full screen and F11 again to exit. If your keyboard's top row controls things like volume or brightness, you might need to hold the FN key while pressing F11. On some systems, the equivalent shortcut uses a different key combination, but the idea is the same: one press to enter and one press to leave. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If it looks like nothing happened when you tried to go full screen, make sure the Chrome window is selected and not minimized behind other apps. If a video on a site has its own full screen button, you may need to exit the video's full screen first before you can toggle the browser's full screen mode, often by pressing Escape. Full screen affects the display you're currently using, so if you have multiple monitors, Chrome will expand on the one where the window is active. That's all there is to it. Use the menu's full screen icon for a visual approach, or press F11 for a quick toggle. And remember, you can always exit by moving your cursor to the top and clicking the X. Enjoy the extra space and the distraction-free browsing experience.